Greatest Guru mantra is never share your secrets with anybody. It will destroy you. There is some self interest behind every friendship. There is no friendship without self interest. This is a bitter truth. A man is great by his deeds, not by birth. A man is born alone and dies alone, and he experiences the good and bad of outcome of his karma alone, and he goes alone to hell or supreme God. The earth is supported by the virtue of the truth. Indeed, all things rest upon truth. We should not fret for what is past, nor should we be anxious about the future. Men of discernment deal only with the present moment. As a single withered tree, if set flame causes a whole forest to burn, so does a rascal sun destroy a whole family. A god doesn't dwell in the wooden, stony, or earthen idols. He abode is in our feeling, our thoughts. Knower of the means makes impossible tasks also possible. You create an enemy by pushing someone who is innocent. Skills are called hidden treasures as they save like a mother in a foreign country. Prosperity lasts long for one who acts after proper consideration. The world's biggest power is the youth and the beauty of a woman. Even a captured enemy is not to be trusted. Books are as useful to a stupid person as a mirror is useful to a blind person. A wicked wife, a false friend, a saucy servant, and living in a house with a serpent in it are nothing but death. Time perfects men as well as destroys them. One who is to be pardoned should not be harassed. Education is the best friend. An educated person is respected everywhere. Education beats the beauty and the youth. Even if a snake is not poisonous, it should pretend to be venomous. As soon as the fear approaches near, attack and destroy it. Learn from the mistakes of others. You can't live long enough to make them all yourself. A fragrance of flowers spreads only in the direction of the wind, but the goodness of a person spreads in all directions. A person should not be too honest. Straight trees are cut first, and honest people are screwed first. Never settle for anything less than what you deserve. It's not pride, it's self respect.